I just want to have some kind of dessert, maybe some sweet drink to drink. Hey? Chappal? Oh, shoes. Oh. And is it like sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. And is it cold or hot? How is it?
Cold.
Okay. Whoa, this is... Alright, back on the streets now. Alhamdulillah, I ate more than I wanted to, but the food was so good. However, I'm still hungry, but this time for more exotic things. No, I just had big meal, thank you. Jazakallah. Now I just want to have some kind of dessert, maybe some sweet drink to drink, and just try different kind of things because I've had a big lunch and everything, so I'm not after a huge meal. Just something light, you know? And what do you know? I'm gonna try. You want one? Okay. They never want food, they want the money, which is an issue. Brother, what's this name? Name. You don't know? Maybe he doesn't speak. Brother, do you know? What's it called?
This one is shite.
And is it like sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. And is it cold or hot? How is it?
It's cold.
It's cold. Okay. If it's cold, that's good. I'll try it. I'll get one. Kitne?
1 kg कितना का 1 किलो
400 का
400
For kilo? Oh no, I don't want 1 kilo. One little bit. Can you ask him how much is the kitne? Or just a little bit, not
400
not 1 kilo, just a little bit. 40 rupees for a little bit? Acha.
100 ग्राम का पत्ता बना दो
I don't need a kilo. Jazakallah. Shukriya. I just need a little bit. I just want to try what it is. From Somalia. Oh, I thought man was gonna be generous. It's about 100 grams. Okay, acha. Oh, it's actually warm. I thought it was meant to be cold, but no, it's actually warm. But where can I stand to try this out? Maybe I'll come back over here, away from the traffic at least, and give this a try. See what it's like. I need someone to hold the camera for me because I can't do this without, unless I do that, but it does not look good. So let's see. Brother, excuse me, can you hold this for me? I just want to try this. Can you just hold the camera? You want to hold it for me? I just want to see how this tastes. Bismillah. There's this greenery. I don't know what this green stuff is, but really nice. Yeah. It's really good actually. It's really sweet. Which country do you live in? I'm from Somalia. Somalia. You know Somalia? Africa, East Africa.
Africa. Okay.
Whoa, this is so good, man. It's nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Shukriya. It's like a hot pudding, but it tastes like gulab jamu as well, which is like another sweet. It's so nice. It's really nice. Wow. Oh god, man. I'm so shocked right now. That was so good. It doesn't look appealing, especially when he's serving it. It looks really oily and I didn't know what to expect. I thought it was gonna be a weird texture, but it's warm, it's sweet, it's nice. It's, oh man, that was good, alhamdulillah. Now I gotta find a bin for this. Brother, rubbish. Zanzibar, thank you. Shukriya. Let me give this man his cash. And that was really nice. That's really well deserved. Said 40 rupees. I don't think that's true. You want one? You want one? Can you get actually kitne 10 rupees? Kitne 10
rupees.
One? Okay,
80
get
rupees.
right?
80 rupees, एक piece, one piece.
80 rupees? Oh, come on, brother. I know that's not the real price. How much is it? Kitne 10 rupees for one?
8 rupees to one piece.
8 rupees? Oh, I thought you said 80. Okay, can I get can I get 5? I'll wait for him and I'll just get 5 of that and I'll just hand it over. I don't want it, but it's more for the little kids here. They can eat. I'd rather give food than give actual cash because you never know who the cash goes to, really. You want a sambusa? You don't want? You don't? You want sambusa? You want one? Yeah? I'll get you one. I'll get you one. Okay, okay. This one? You want this one instead? Okay. I think she wants the drink instead. Hey? Chappal?
Shoes.
Oh, shoes. Oh, I don't know if I can do shoes. I don't know if I can do shoes, but I can definitely do some boosters. Let me
400. 3 piece.
3 piece, yes. Alright, 4 piece. One more. And kitne? This one.
40 rupees. One piece. 40 rupees.
40 rupees for one? Is that
One piece 40 rupees.
Is that the real price? This is a bit expensive, isn't it? 40 rupees for one. Is it? I think it's 20 rupees, yeah?
40 rupees.
Really?
One piece.
But Coke is like 20 rupees. Is this 40 rupees or 20 rupees? Kitne?
40 rupees, one piece.
Okay, I'll forget that. It's more expensive than Coke, you know. I'm kind of shocked because it's a bit milk, but that's okay. It looks like he's heating my money over there. Oh no, he's not. He's heating something else. Thank you. I got what I needed. I'm still kind of confused about 40 rupees for that drink when you can get Coke, which is a name brand that's a bit where you can get a name brand drink which is a bit more cheaper, which is weird. But like, you know, what can you do really at the end of the day? Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. I didn't end up buying it anyways because you get scammed so many times. Sometimes you just lose hope. Give me some food, man. Go. No. Hey, good man. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Little one's not stopping. I can get you food, but I can't give you money. Okay? No money, man. What the hell is this? Almond? Amul?
Oh, Karla.
Namaste. Oh, assalamu alaikum, I should say. I keep saying namaste, but it's assalamu alaikum. Assalamu wa rahmatullah. What is this? This is
Milk.
milk.
Gold milk.
Goat milk.
Gold milk.
Oh, okay. Oh, gold milk.
Yeah, this is imported milk.
Animal milk or almond?
This is imported milk.
Okay, so animal or almond?
Yeah, cow milk.
Cow milk.
Yeah.
Okay, it's cow milk.
Cow milk.
Acha. I thought Amul meant like almond. Okay, it's nice. It looks really cool. From
Made by Malaysians.
mashallah,
Yeah.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
Mashallah. Shukriya. Okay, let's hit the road. Oh, watch out, little one. Very persistent, this kid. No, it's all good, it's all good. Yeah, what a weird guy. But yeah, still on the hunt for some sweets, man. Like more sweets, probably like a drink-wise, nothing to do with milk. Maybe like a juice or some sort of juice drink. I'm either gonna listen, man. Please stay back, yeah. I'm either gonna have to yell at the kid or try to ignore him for the rest of the walk. But he's very, 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 very persistent, you know. It's a nice bakery. This one coconut flavor? It's coconut flavor, yeah? Yeah, I vegetable. It's really, really nice. Really good stuff. Hi?
You tasted here?
No, I had it in Nepal. In Nepal, I tried in Nepal. So it was really nice. It's very, very nice. It's a really nice, like cookie, coconut flavored sweet. Can you tell him to? He's been following me for 10 minutes now.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no. Listen, no more. God, I don't know. How do you act kind and also mean at the same time?
Hello.
Let the kid know. No, it's okay. I don't need. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Look, he's still here. Poor kid. Like I feel sorry for him, but like I can't give you just cash, you know. Or maybe I could just give him a little bit, and that maybe would stop the hassle. But oh man, that was tough. The begging here is for real, man. It's really unfortunate to see, but like even I think when it comes to begging, there should be some kind of protocol, you know. It becomes harassment after a while. It doesn't become begging anymore. But I gave him a little bit, and then he still wanted more. Eventually I said to him, that's it, man, just gonna have to go with that. And yeah, he left finally. But now I'm walking down the streets. I don't think there's any more food stalls. I think it's all garments and materials. There's no more food items. So I've definitely walked really far away from where I wanted to be or where I need to be. But look, I'm just trying to keep going straight. And if I can't find any food, then I'll just hop on a ride and I'll go somewhere else and find some food.